Hey guys, this is Allie, and welcome to the website tutorial on the #1 rated restaurant template. So as you can see here, this is the template. It's pretty beautiful, made by an in-house professional graphic designer. And right here you can see that we have a call to action in the header section. And to the right, we have the handmade control panel made by our in-house web development team. It's pretty amazing, pretty beautiful. We have the drag and drop background animations and the template how-to, which is where you are looking right now at this video. So as I scroll down here, I just want to show you what this template looks like when it's launched and it's a full-on beauty. So here we go. So as I scroll down, you can see that, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this, because on this template also is we have customized animations. So as I scroll down, you can see that we have, ooh, look at that fly in, the About section with an ability to download the menu with a link right there. We have a video right here where you can paste in your own video. Maybe it's showing you chopping ingredients. Maybe it's for a different type of content. Maybe you're using this website as a base, because it's a really simple layout for anything. So as we scroll down further, we have another About section, just giving the users a little more awareness of who we are. These are images, bread, pastries, cafe, and it gives you a quick summary of what to expect later in the website. Right here we have the bread, beautiful bread, and eating bad never, ever, ever felt so good. Right here we have a basic layout. We have 6 different images with captions for each image you want to feature. And then we go on to the pastry section, the exact same layout, except we're featuring pastries. And as you see, it fades in with a simple drop down. Cafe. And then we have this is the sandwiches in the cafe. So here we have the melting ham, granola, house toast, fresh fruit, overnight oats. And then, of course, we have the Contact Us. And in this case, this restaurant was franchised. So we have 3 different shops available for you to contact them. And then finally, a call to action with the book a reservation button. And that's it. So this is the basic template. So now what I want to do is I want to take this over to the Page Builder and Leadpages and show you a little bit of how to really customize this and make it your own. Because at the end of the day, when you buy it, you broke it, you bought it, but in this case, you want to make it really good, so you bought it. So here we go over to the right-hand side, which is, you see this yellow toggle right here, and this is the control panel. So what I'm going to show you is how to use the drag and drop, the background, the animations, and then this is where the video lives, just in case you ever want to come back and kind of get a little quick recap on everything. So here's the drag and drop. So each of these titles right here relate to a section, and you don't technically need to know the name of the section. All you need to know is it goes in order. So menu bar would be first, and you can see it's highlighted up there. Header, this is the header section. About one, this is the about section. Video section right here. About 2, feature 1, about 3, and so on and so forth. So what I want to show you is what you can actually do with this drag and drop, and it's an additional feature built into the website template that Leadpages doesn't have, which is the drag and drop. So this is a menu bar. So what I do is I click on the menu bar, and you see it opens up 2 different elements. So I have an image for the logo, and then the menu, which is right here. It's kind of like right there. So what I want to do, say I want to put this menu bar on the left and the logo on the right. All I do is I click on the image button and I move it to the right, so you can see it changes it so simply, just like that, which is really neat. So then header, same thing. So I have the title, the text, and the link, which is the button. So say I want the title beneath the button, I just move it, drag it, so now it's right there. It's pretty cool. And we'll go through all these. So the About section. So the About section doesn't open up because there's nothing to drag and drop. There's nothing you'd want to change. Video section, same thing. About to, so here you open it up and we have these 3 images that you can move around. So say I want bread to be where the pastries is, I just simply drag image 1 beneath image 2, boom, changes. Pretty cool. About to, feature 1 doesn't, about 3, here we have these 2 rows right here and right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag row 1 beneath row 2, about 3, done. So as you go through this, you can switch around all of these to match whatever you want to do. It's so cool. And you can also, on top of that, instead of just kind of going in detailed oriented and switching the individual elements, we can actually change each section. So we can move each section around. Say we want the menu bar beneath the header, we drag it beneath the header. So right now, the header is right here, menu bar is beneath. So cool. So cool. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, you understand the drag and drop to a degree. So now what I'm going to I'm going to put this back because I like it regular. I'm going to change this header section. I want the title to be above the text. There we go. So now you click it to open it, click it to shut it. So now we go to the background section, and this is kind of the bread and butter where everything lives. This is how you make it to be exactly what you want it to be, and nobody will know that it's something you bought. They'll think it's something that you paid to make someone else made, or maybe just maybe you built it yourself. Okay, so here we have the background. So say we want to change this image in the background. We don't want cookies because, hey, we're building this website and it does nothing related to food. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the header and we're going to turn on the parallax on or off, which is cool that we can even do parallax. So here it's on, and you see that the opacity, you can change the opacity on this too. So the higher the opacity, the less transparent it is. So usually you put up the opacity if you have like white text because you want the contrast to be higher. So you want the background to be darker. So here we're going to change the image. So all we do is we click on an image. So I'm going to click on So there's a little bit of a gap right there. So we're going to click on money. So here you see that's all you have to do. You just click on an image and it changes the background to that image. And these are all hand-picked images and they're all high res. So I think one of the things that a lot of people get caught on is they don't understand that the images that you put on your website, that makes such a big difference to what it looks like. And picking the right images can almost take as much time as making a custom graphic. So that's why it's really cool that we have all these custom images right here for you that look really good on your site. So we have images, we have textures, which is the same thing. You can change the texture. We have videos. So, I mean, this is so cool. You can actually put a video in the background and you don't even have to do anything. All you do is you click on the button and the video shows up in the background. And look at this, like cookies baking in the background. Who wouldn't want this site? And then we can change the transparency. And then we can also just make it a basic, simple color. So there's the colors right there. So you can do this for every section. So if I go down to the About section, say I want an image in the background, I'll just go to the About, go on, click on Image Background, and then I'll just pick an image. So there you go, that's it. That's all you do. This is it's really, really neat. Okay, so that's about it for the background, and then we have animations. So here, you click on animations and you go on. So here's animations for the header section. This is the header. So what we can do is we can select the element to animate. So I'm going to animate this title. So what I'm going to do, maybe I want it to do Jello. So you see right there, it makes the animation for you. Ta-da. So that's all you have to do. So then you would go through each one of these and it automatically, and then click whatever you want, wobble. Okay, but then it automatically does it for you. But the one thing is you have to make sure to save it. If you don't save this page and you name it something like testing. So if you don't save it, then your animations won't save. So you need to make sure to save all of this stuff. And I know it's pretty basic, but it's really critical that you really kind of put in the like work and the due diligence to make it really good. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is, so right here we have the backgrounds and we have a header and we have an image background. But say I don't have the right color in this control panel that we built in. Say I need to use Leadpages control panel to find, or Leadpages builder to find the right color. So what you do to change this background color is you go to the header section, which is this section, and you can see when you hover over each section, it goes over the blue, hovers over the title. So I go to the header section and I turn off the custom background and turn off the background. And then I go into styles and I go to header background, which is, where is it? Right here. So here is where I can change the color also. So now I can make it anything I want. So that's another way to edit the backgrounds and the colors in Leadpages, which you probably already know, but I just wanted to show you how to use it in correlation with our control panel. So you just hide the custom background in the background layer. The next thing I want to show you is, so here, which I'm sure you already know, is how to change the colors on the buttons, the menu bar font color. So right now this color is black, but it's a little hard to see. So we're going to want to make it white. So that's all you do is you just go through this, change all these things to be whatever you want, and customize it as much as possible. With video, I know you place the video embed code here in order to get the right video. Yeah, that's about it. So if you have any issues, just come over to the control panel, click on this template how to, go through it again. Another thing you can do with the drag and drop is you can change each section around. So say you want the menu bar to be below the header, all you do is you drag it. It's pretty awesome, like pretty awesome. I'm really excited about all of the features that we've built into your template. I hope you love it, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you reach all of your goals with this awesome #1 rated custom restaurant template. All right, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day.